Google quietly added this setting to your phone. How to turn it off now? It's simple. First of all, open your Google, then search for Search Services History. After you type in, there will be a Google Help account, so simply tap on the first website that appears. Now, here you'll see important. We're currently updating settings for Google search services, which include search, maps, shoppings, flight, hotels, and a lot of. And Google keeps on adding this to your phone quietly. Now, to turn the search history off, scroll down and here you'll find turn search service history on or off. So simply tap on to go to my Google activity, tap on this link and it will redirect to your settings. Now here you'll find search service history. Simply tap on there and tap on here and tap on turn off. But if you want to turn off and delete all the activities till now, you can tap on the second step. But if you just want to turn it off, simply tap on turn it off and tap on got it. You can read all these datas and agreement, and after that then got it. And that's it, guys. Simply tap on got it and you're good to go. You can always switch it back to by tapping on and tap on turn on and tap on got it. And that's it, guys. In this way you can change the setting as you desire. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel.